Hazrat Qasim bin Muhammad narrates that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the Prophet's wife, told him that she bought a mattress containing pictures. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw it, he stepped at the door and did not enter. When she observed the signs of disapproval in his face, she submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I repent to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What sin has I committed? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, What about this mattress? She radiyallahu anha thereupon submitted, I have purchased it for you to sit and recline on it. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, Those who make these pictures will be tormented on the resurrection day, and it will be said to them, Inspire life in what you have made. And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam further said, The angels of blessing do not enter a house wherein there are pictures. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5961.